Are you looking for a reliable crossover? A car that fits for executives at pangpamilya? Sakto, meron kami niyan dito. Check this out.
Making love, so come give me a hug. If you're in it getting rough, you can find me in the club. Bottle full of bug, mama, I got what you need. If you need to fill a buzz, I'm in the habit.
As we can see, we have 2022 Asgara luxury four-wheel drive. Let's start with the grille. So Geely has a signature grille called Expanding Cosmos and with chrome accents. At sa baba niyan, merong front camera that supports 360 camera. Para tanaw mo lahat. Samahan mo pa ng full LED headlight technology. Sa sides, we have 18 inches two-tone alloy wheel. At for our side mirrors, we have the power fold and power adjust with turn indicators. At meron din siyang camera sa ilalim. Kasi nga, 360 nga ni. On the top, we have silver roof rails at makinis na body. Plus, sa likod, we have power tailgate. At meron din siyang anti-pinch. Para iwas ipit nga ni! Makikita naman natin na meron tayong napakalaking cargo space sa likod, which is 320 liters. At kapag binaba yung upuan sa likod, it can be 1,850 liters. Dito tayo sa loob at makikita nyo naman very premium. We have sunroof here and we have brown leather na seats. And naka-leather wrap na rin ang ating steering wheel with digital display with 30K on the clock. And very sleek ang dashboard. Meron tayong 12.3 inches infotainment. At bonus on that, we have wireless charger sa ilalim. Dito naman tayo sa second row, as you can see, meron tayong brown seats here. Same sa unahan. And we have armrest here with 2 cup holders. At hindi ka maiinitan dahil merong aircon, plus merong USB charging port sa ilalim. For as low as 45K, pwedeng mapasayo itong unit na to. Please visit us on our showroom or feel free to call us. Malay mo na sa Cars Unlimited na pala ang dream car na hinahanap mo.